Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel. So let's start. This is my PDF, and in this PDF have a purchase data in 4 pages. So you can see here total is purchase data. Okay, this data I'm going to convert to Excel. So open your Excel file. So I open here the one blank Excel file and go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option, then click on the from file option, then click on the from PDF. Okay, then wait for the few seconds and select your PDF. I select the desktop and select here the my PDF purchase data and click on the import and wait for the few seconds. Here the one dialog box is open, navigator, and here this is your PDF data. So this is one folder is automatically created of your purchase data PDF. In this PDF there are 4 table is available and 4 pages is available. Okay, here you can see the preview. When you click on the any option, here the preview is showing. I click on the table 1 and see here the preview of data. So select the data those you want to convert to Excel. So I select the table 2. The table 2 I want to convert to Excel. After that, just click on the load option and wait for the few seconds, and here your data is convert to PDF to Excel. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.